good day, sir, madam. My name is Monet Collado Dayag. I am 31 years old. I am married. I have 2 children, 2 girls. The oldest is 5 years old and the youngest is 1 year old. I am college graduate. I have been working in Shanghai, China for 2 years. I do babysitting, taking care of children, house cleaning, cooking.
Okay, how many years did you work again in China, Monet?
2 years, madam.
2 years. Can you still recall the name of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the name of your employers?
Sharon Tang.
Okay. Did you finish your contract, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When did you work with them?
I have been work there for September 2003 until 2005, ma'am.
Okay. How many are there in the family?
There are 4 in the family.
What are the ages of the children?
6 and 10.
Okay. 6 and 10 when you left or when you arrived there?
When I arrived there, ma'am.
Okay. So, how many domestic helpers are there in the family?
2, ma'am.
2. 2,
Yes.
including you.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what were the assigned jobs to you? Or you work together?
Yes,
or
ma'am, we work
you work together. So, all the household chores you do and all the household chores the other one
Just
also do. Helping one another.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. How large is the house?
Medium size, ma'am. I have 4 bathroom and 4
Bedrooms.
bedrooms.
Okay. Do they have a car?
Yes, ma'am.
And who is the one who cleans the car?
The driver, ma'am.
Driver.
Yes, ma'am.
How about in Hong Kong? If you are required to clean the car of your employer, are you willing to do so?
Yes, madam.
Okay, very good. You're married, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Does your husband know that you're going to apply to work in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
And he approved?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Who will look after your children?
My husband,
Your
ma'am.
husband. What's your reason why you want to work abroad again, especially in Hong Kong?
I want to support my financially and I want to send my daughters in a beautiful school, better school.
Okay, very good. So, are you confident enough to look after a baby or infant?
Yes, madam.
Okay. And are you willing to sleep with the baby during the night?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Very good. You're a college graduate, right, Monet?
Yes, madam.
What's your highest educational background course?
I finished Bachelor of Science, major in Political Science, madam.
Political science.
Yes.
So that's a preparatory to lawyer, being a lawyer. Okay. So can you, having a good academic background, if your employer asks you to tutor their children, can you do that?
Yes, madam.
Yeah. What subjects can you teach?
Mathematics, science, and English.
Very good. Okay. Can you do errands like going to the market?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know how to cook? You worked in China before, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you know how to cook some Chinese foods?
A little bit only, ma'am.
Okay. What kind of dishes do you know?
Just stir the vegetables, steamed fish, and others, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Now, how is your health, Monet?
I'm good, ma'am.
Very good. So it means you are physically fit to work.
Yes, madam.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take your day off during weekday?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And are you willing not to take your day off but will be paid instead?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. How long do you plan to work in Hong Kong, Monet?
As long that my employer want me, ma'am, to stay there, I will.
Okay, so that means you're willing to extend your contract.
Yes, madam.
Okay, very good. Now, as a closing, Monet, what can you promise to your future employer?
I promise to do my duties and responsibilities to satisfy my employer, ma'am.
Very good. So there are rules in Hong Kong which you have to follow when you are there. You have to establish good relationship with your employer, Monet. So, good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.